transferring Amazon gift card balance to another account is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can transfer Amazon gift card balance to another account. Suppose you have Amazon gift card and now you want to transfer the balance to any of your friends' accounts. So how can you do that? In order to do that, you just need to take your gift card with him and ask him to log into your Amazon account. After logging in, you just have to go to amazon.com. So I will just go to Amazon and I will go to amazon.co.uk. Here I will log in first. After logging in, I'll go back to Google and I'm going to search for Amazon wallet on his laptop or his computer. There you have to go to this page, which should be amazon.com/cpe/your payment/wallet, and then there you go. It will be his Amazon wallet or his Amazon pay account. Here you have to go to the gift card, and there you have to click on this redeem a gift card. And there you go. You will easily be able to put your Amazon gift card there to have or transfer your money from your Amazon gift card to his account. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.